I hope you listen to this because you could use this for one of your fucking songs. But what the heck?
I told you to fucking stop.
You don't have to hang up on me. You know what?
Like, just please.
I'm gonna keep trying to call you and you better answer me. But fuck you.
It's your boy. Ay, sip Patron, but this shit ain't got me drunk enough, numb enough. 3 big faces, I got you dumb enough. Big booty bitch when I be knees, made her buckle up. Big titty fiend with double D's, I made her double dutch. She looking fly when she stepping in them Cortez. Course stepping, Gucci fly down, she give me more head. And I'm getting more bread, and all you niggas money stretching. He got bought for talking shit, but he ain't learned his lesson. We live and learn, all my niggas still young and reckless. It's your turn to pass the bitch, but she ain't get the message. From the gutter, but on God, I'm getting restless. When there's cash to make, I got money on my checklist. The chopper eating niggas told to Smith and Wesson. Smoke 'em like a wood, all my niggas stay progressing. A and B to Uno, love any second. Gas up with a team, bitch left me but regret it. I've been stuck in this game, I've been scoring. Now I'm with this bitch and she bougie, you can't afford it. I was fucking with a lame, now it's over with. On some more bitches and booty, now I'm gon' record it. In the hills doubled up, red poem. Skirting out the lot with a key, I said floor it. Got the chills, all this ice got me frozen. I ain't said I'm dripping, little nigga, I said poet. Sip Patron, but this shit ain't got me drunk enough, numb enough. 3 big faces, I got you dumb enough. Big booty bitch when I be knees, made her buckle up. Big titty fiend with double D's, I made her double dutch. She looking fly when she stepping in them Cortez. Course stepping, Gucci fly down, she give me more head. And I'm getting more bread, and all you niggas money stretching. He got bought for talking shit, but he ain't learned his lesson. I blow her back, but the bitch give me asthma. Throwing ass back, she let me get it on the camera. Turbo racing cause the whip got a plasma. Bitches be flocking when they know a nigga gassed up. Never trust her, never trust her. She left my heart cold, I thought I loved her. Never trust her, never trust her. She married to the money, I done cuffed her. Yeah, the bitch can't control me like I'm on a leash, but I dog the bitch like I be rolling off a E. Sip the Henny double G, I got my jelly feet. Can't control a nigga no more, design a fiend. Yeah, I'm thankful for the niggas who be spotting me. You don't gotta pay no more, it's all on me. You know La Bitty in the mood when she next to me. She ain't texting back no more, took your scheme. And you niggas ain't working, no move, ain't getting to that back sweet break, call it Deuce. The homie really serving now, he do slang. I'm doing my thing, we getting litty on a Tuesday. I'm finna turn my life a movie. Can't trust the soul, yeah, these niggas acting too fake. He an internet boy acting two-faced, tryna be the first, but I done hit him all, it's too late. Sip Patron, but this shit ain't got me drunk enough, numb enough. 3 big faces, I got you dumb enough. Big booty bitch when I be knees, made her buckle up. Big titty fiend with double D's, I made her double dutch. She looking fly when she stepping in them Cortez. Course stepping, Gucci fly down, she give me more head. And I'm getting more bread, and all you niggas money stretching. He got bought for talking shit, but he ain't learned his lesson. Okay. Know what I'm saying? That's just really it. Life never gonna stop moving forward.